Imagine a wave of molasses towering 25 feet high, sweeping through city streets. On January 15, 1919, Boston experienced one of the most unusual disasters in history, the Great Molasses Flood. A storage tank containing 2.3 million gallons of molasses burst, unleashing a sticky deluge that moved at 35 miles per hour. This bizarre catastrophe claimed 21 lives and injured 150 people. Buildings were demolished and streets were inundated. The cleanup took weeks, and the sweet scent lingered for decades. Investigations revealed poor construction and temperature fluctuations as contributing factors. This sticky tragedy remains a testament to the unexpected dangers lurking in industrial progress.